Today we're going to be making some black bean brownies. These are really great for when you want a nice little treat, but you want it to be a little bit healthier. These are tried and true. I've tested them out on all three of my children. They all love it. There's a lot of different recipes online for black bean brownies. The one I've chosen is from Chocolate Covered Katie, and you can find it at chocolatecoveredkatie.com. So for this recipe, we will need a 1 15-ounce can of black beans, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup of quick oats, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of pure maple syrup. You can use honey or agave as well. I'm using maple syrup. Along with the syrup, you can do a pinch of uncut stevia, which is what I have here, or 2 tablespoons of sugar, or you can omit both of those and increase the maple syrup to half a cup instead of 1/3. Then you want 1/4 cup of either coconut oil or vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup to 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. So I've put all of the ingredients except for the chocolate chips into my food processor. You can also use a blender, but only if you absolutely need to. The texture, the taste will be much better in a food processor. You really need to blend this until it's completely smooth. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees as well. So once it's all mixed up, it should have a nice smooth consistency. Took me a little while to get it here. Just keep blending. Next, I'm going to put it into a greased pan. They do ask for 8 by 8. I only have a 9 by 9 here, so it's going to be a little, mine are going to be a little bit thinner, and I am going to have to take them out of the oven a little bit sooner. So once I mixed the chocolate chips into the batter, I poured it all into this pan, and it's going to go in the oven that's preheated to 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. I'm going to then let it cool at least 10 minutes before cutting it, and it makes 9 to 12 brownies. Bon appetit!